So hey guys, welcome back to another Call of Duty mobile video and hope you all are good. And as I told in the last video, Gunsmith update and season 9 update videos are coming soon. So here is the first video on top 3 SMG loadouts which I have made. As you all know, WC has arrived on the same day as the update and it's not possible for everyone to try all guns and make their loadouts. So your problem is solved now. I've made the best 3 SMG loadouts for you guys which you can use and perform your best. Okay, so let's hop inside the loadout section and see what's inside. So guys, here is our first SMG, that is Cordite. So let's get into Gunsmith and check what are the attachments. So here you can see these are my attachments and I will give you 2 loadouts and tell you which one is the best and which one I use. So here you can see the first attachment is our muzzle. I haven't used any muzzle in this. The second attachment is our barrel. In this I've used MIP extended light barrel which gives us ADS bullet spread accuracy and damage range, although its negative is ADS speed, which we'll see later. I haven't used any optic because I love clear sights and Cordite's iron sight is very good. So let's see the stock section. The stock I've used is the YCAM combat stock. It gives us ADS speed which was a negative before, so it becomes equal. Okay. The perk which I've used is the wild hipfire perk. As you all know, the Cordite's hipfire is too OP, so I've used this wild hipfire perk to make my hipfire so accurate. The next one is the laser. The laser RTC laser 1MW I've used, and this gives us again hipfire accuracy. I've not used under barrel and ammunition. The last attachment is the rear grip. It is the stippled grip tape. It gives us ADS speed and sprint to fire speed. So these are my attachments. Overall we can see our fire rate is same, damage is same, but our accuracy, mobility and range are increased. Although somewhat controls are decreased, but it's okay. Our accuracy, mobility and range is increased, and the main thing is I like the guns with more mobility. I like mobile guns and I love this loadout. So let's see our next loadout of Cordite which I have made. Okay, so here you can see at the expense of mobility we can increase our accuracy, range and controls. So if you can compromise with your mobility and want to improve your accuracy, range and controls, this loadout is for you. Okay, let's see what I've used here. So I've used the muzzle OWC light compensator, which gives us vertical recoil control and lateral recoil stability, which is a good thing. The barrel I've used is OWC marksman. Okay, you can see here its pros and cons. So let's see our stock. In this I haven't used any stock as I used YCAM stock in the last loadout. The other things are same, the perk, laser and rear grip are same, but here you can see overall the mobility is decreased, but accuracy, range and controls are increased. Now the question is, which one do I prefer? So the answer is you can use any one of them, both are super good, but I mostly use the first one. I mostly use this one because I need mobility, and SMGs are mostly used for close range fights, so I have no problem with range and stuff. Okay, that's all for Cordite. Let's hop into the another loadout. So let's see our QQ9 attachments. This is my QQ9 flood attachments. Let's see what's inside. So overall you can see by adding these attachments I've increased my damage, accuracy, mobility, range and controls. Although fire rate is somewhat low, but it's totally fine. Okay, let's see our attachments. The muzzle I've used is the MIP light flash guard, in which negative is only ADS speed and positive is hidden muzzle flash, ADS bullet spread accuracy and hipfire accuracy. I haven't used any barrel, optic or stock. The perk which I've used is the sleight of hand, which gives us reload speed. The laser I've used is the OWC laser tactical, which gives us negative visible laser sights, and the positive is ADS speed and ADS bullet spread accuracy. I haven't used any under barrel. The ammunition I've used is 10mm 30 round reload, which gives us extra damage and damage range. The rear grip which I've used is the rubberized grip tape. It gives us vertical recoil control, which is important. So Overall, you can see my attachments and can use them. I will also give another loadout for this, which is this one. The both attachments are too good. You can use any one of them. Okay, your choice. In this, only what I have changed is I haven't put any muzzle, and the barrel which I used is monolithic integral suppressor. The people who like to use suppressor, this loadout is for them. Okay, I use personally both, so you can use any one. In this, accuracy is somewhat low, but everything else is same. It's no like nothing different in this, so you can use this, and it's too good. So let's move on to our last SMG, which is our Razorback. So let's see the gunsmith attachments of Razorback. In this, you can see I have used barrel OWC Marksman. Stock is YKM combat stock, which gives us ADS speed, and in this gun you need a good ADS speed. The laser which I've used is OWC laser tactical. Again, it gives us ADS speed. No under barrel, no perk, no muzzle. The rear grip is stippled grip tape, which again gives us ADS speed, and ammunition is extended mag A. Okay, so I tried many loadouts for this Razorback, but every time it gives me less ADS speed. So I tried the suggestions and I found suggestion 3 the best for me. You can use this, and these attachments are from the suggestion 3. This makes Razorback 2 OP. You can use it. That's all for SMGs. So let's wrap up the video, and let me tell you why I made this video. I made this video because there are many people who don't know much about attachments and are new to game, and many players are grinding for WC. They can't try much attachments all at a time because it takes time to form good loadouts. So these loadouts are tested in many matches, and trust me, they're super good. You can use them. So again, if you like the video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do press the bell icon so that you never miss my any update, as the top 3 AR loadouts are coming soon. So stay tuned and comment your views and attachments in the comment box, and give suggestions for upcoming videos. Peace out guys, stay tuned.